Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, Jamaica will continue to see similar results to those obtained at the Paris Olympics unless the nation changes its attitude towards sport, according to one local stakeholder. More in this report.
So if you think 6 medals was a little bit, you try the next 2 Olympics. If we don't pull up our socks, a 4 way I get the next time. Remember me tell you so that today.
Sports marketer and experienced practitioner in the business of sport, Carole Beckford. The majority of Jamaica's global sporting success comes in track and field, but there is a sentiment that not enough is being done by the government to ensure that continues. The nation garnered 6 medals at the last Olympic Games, which some saw as a disappointment, as many expected double-digit returns.
It needs to be a scientific approach to how you design the next 5 to 10 years in sports using the data, but the research. You have to invest in research and development. I mean, I want GC Foster, I want Michael, I want Bethlehem to come back into the game, Church Teachers College, Sam Sharp, Case, because we have to feed people. We have the most arable lands in this country, in the Caribbean, and we not feed ourselves, we can't feed the Caribbean.
Infrastructural development from the government should also be informed by science, according to Beckford.
And then in that cycle of economic activity, you decide that the venue down at St. Elizabeth, the venue in our Clarendon, and the one in Kingston are the place where all the major activities should go on because they have the most seats, you can collect the most money, and that kind of a thing. It needs to be a scientific approach to how you design the next 5 to 10 years in sports using the data, but the research. You have to invest in research and development.
Beckford also says that physical education at the primary level is not being given the attention it needs to have a sustainable national sporting model.
All the PE teachers that went to college from way back when till now, we do nutrition, we do science, we do everything, so we know what we do. We're not stupid. And so because our industry has not been recognized, the ministry has one PE education officer, one for something that should give us the best return on our investment, one.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.